Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about mind-blowing designs and ideas for your sweet babies, beautiful and trendy baby crochet poncho design. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, beautiful and trendy baby crochet poncho designs. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Latest fashion ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet poncho design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can easily make these very beautiful baby crochet ponchos if you know crochet work. Baby crochet cap shawls, poncho designs you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful and trendy, light colors, dark colors, beautiful colors, color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see. Gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy baby crochet poncho designs. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Soft and beautiful. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.